If you are facing gaps or space between words like this paragraph, avoid doing it manually like this. Instead, press Ctrl+H. Find and Replace window has opened. Then, in the first space, write open bracket, single space, close bracket, open curly bracket, write 2, then, comma, close curly bracket. Then in the second space, write slash and 1 without any space. Click on More, scroll down, then select Use wildcards. Finally, click on Replace All. Now the problem is solved. As you can see, the paragraph has no word spacing problem. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel.